CY-Cnc-Plasma Cutter, with high-quality plasma power, for aluminum structure, mold creating, one-time molding, easier to install and dismantle, no need to polish, after cutting. Demo 2, for stainless steel. Nice cutting quality. Product display effects. Safety packing for shipments.
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.